Bonjour, bonjour les amis, comment ça va? Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy et bienvenue. Welcome to French with Ananas. Et voici Ananas qui vous dit bonjour. Are you excited, Ananas? Oui, it's an exciting lesson today. We're learning how to make sentences and mini books with the 5.1 vocabulary. Alors les amis, on va apprendre comment composer des phrases et faire des petits livres avec les mots appris dans la leçon 5.1. Alors, on va commencer, les amis. Let's begin. Alors, here is our sentence starter. So, voici means here is. So, when you're showing something to somebody and you're pointing, and that's what you use, voici. So, we chose UUU sound flashcard, une carte éclair avec le son U, and we chose jus d'orange. So, in order to complete your sentence, you need to know the gender of jus. So, is jus a masculine word or feminine word? So, I've given you that information right here by writing un. Un is masculine, so you know that jus is also going to be masculine. So, un jus d'orange. Alors, voici plus un jus d'orange. That's all you need to make your sentence. So let's see what you get. Voici un jus d'orange. Can you repeat after me? Voici un jus d'orange. And all it means is, here is some orange juice. Ça va, Ananas? Est-ce que ça va bien? Oui? D'accord. On continue, les amis. Alors, voilà une vue. So when you are pointing to something out to somebody and it's a little bit distant, it's not close to you, and you're just pointing it out, then you can use voilà. So this sentence goes like this. Voilà une vue. Can you repeat that? Voilà une vue. Bravo. Voilà une tortue. Can you say that? Voilà une tortue. Bravo. Good job. Voici de la peinture. Can you say that? Voici de la peinture. And it simply means here is some paint. Voici du ruban adhésif. Can you say that? Voici du ruban adhésif. Wow, you're doing a good job. Anana, do you know what voici? Oui. Mm-hmm. She is correct. So here is some sticky tape. Alors, on va continuer, les amis. On va tourner la page. And here is our last page. When you get to the end, you write the end. And in French, the way you write the end is la fin. La fin. Thank you so much for joining us. Merci beaucoup, les amis. And we hope to see you next time. Can you say à la prochaine? À la prochaine!